Hi friends! Are you ready to learn your letters and letter sounds? We do this in class, so let's do this. Ready? Who let the A out? Ah, 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 ah. Who let the B out? B, 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 b. You're a bear getting your honey. B, 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 b. Who let the C out? K, 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 k. Who let the D out? D, 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 D. Who let the E out? Eh, eh, eh. Because my grandma Elsa, she's losing her hearing, so she can't hear you. So the letter E is, who let the E out? Eh, eh, eh. Who let the F out? Who let the G out? G, 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 g. Who let the H out? It's hot. Who let the I out? Itchy. Who let the J out? J, 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 j. Who let the K out? K, 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 k. Who let the L out? Who let the M out? Get your muffin. Who let the N out? Notice where my tongue is. Who let the O out? Look, it looks like the letter O. Look at my mouth. Who let the P out? P, 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 p. Who let the Q out? Qua, 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 qua. Who let the R out? Who let the S out? Smiling snake. Who let the T out? T, 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 t. Who let the U out? So you're thinking about it. And look at your chin. Looks like the letter U. It does, right? It's like the letter U, and you go like this. Who let the U out? You ask your question. Did you wash your hands after going to the bathroom? Who let the V? Who let the V out? B, 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 b. Who let the W out? W, 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 w. Look, I look like the letter W. W, 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 w. Who let the X out? X, 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 x. See the X? Who let the Y out? Look at the letter Y. Who let the Y out? Y, 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 y. Who let the Z out? Z, z, z.